Means I take Rolaids.
Rolaids goes to work instantly, neutralizing 44% more acid than Tums for fast, powerful relief of your worst heartburn.
I trust my Rolaids.
Rolaids spells relief. Today. Tuesday at 9. Destination Discovery.
Welcome back. A young father has been murdered, and the search for Mark Despain's killer has been focused on those closest to him. The fight between his family and his wife's family is so ugly that even his funeral is about to turn into a battleground. Here's more on the root of all evil. Michelle and Mark, just children when they got married. Now Mark was dead, gunned down in the family kitchen, and Michelle had to plan his funeral. He was barely functioning, she says.
It was just a blur. It all still just feels like a blur.
Well, there was one thing she was clear about. Mark's parents and sister were not welcome at his funeral. It was the same at the cemetery.
She's literally trying to keep him in the ground before we can even walk up.
You can get them to fill in the grave.
So we just immediately jump out of our car and start rushing to the backside. And she calls the police on us. She calls the police at our funeral.
And yet, for all the chatter about Jack, he might have killed his own son. Detective Brooks' instinct says, no. Jack's alibi checked out. He was fixing his roof after his murder. And those tears in the interrogation room.
God did not feel anything. There's been a fight, a promiscuous fight. He appeared to be a broken man at the time.
So, what to make of a fractured family and all the bad blood now tangled up with so much grief? Detective Brooks thought back to his interview with Michelle's dad, Carl, the man who pointed a finger at Jack on day one. He told him he didn't have nothing to do with him. Carl said he'd been at Mark's house not too long before the murder. Dropped off some rent money.
Why didn't they shoot me instead of him? I had money in my hand.
Interesting timing. Coincidence. Or as Detective Brooks wondered, did Carl have something to do with the murder? No, maybe not. Carl's alibi checked out. Surveillance cameras, in fact, caught Carl right where he said he was around the time Mark was gunned down, meeting his daughter at the bank where she worked. He could not have shot Mark. Well, the investigation continued. Mark's parents spent time at the cemetery, finally able to do what they could when their son was still alive.
We talked to him, talked to Mark.
Rainy days were the worst. I didn't like rainy days.
What do you mean, rainy days?
I didn't like him getting wet. I knew he was in heaven. I just didn't like the rain on him.
And then, your lot, really. Remember how neighbors reported seeing an African-American stranger in the neighborhood? Now someone called the cops with a tip. Somebody who matched that description was actually posting about shooting Mark Despain. That was a nice little gift. It was. Didn't take him long to find this guy. Street name, Quelo. Real name, Terrence Barker. And he was nervous.
I can see your mom being through this hurt. I know you're scared.
He denied everything. Detective Brooks wasn't buying it. Because, by then, the police also tracked down the driver of that beat-up blue Mercedes seen near the house before the murder. And he told the cops he took Quelo to meet a man in a church parking lot. And that man wanted a job. Was that job murder?
I did not do it, sir.
By now, Detective Brooks had been working night and day for a week. His store of patience ran out. Was it that angry speech or another long night in his cell? The next day, Waco came clean for a promise of $7,000 to $10,000. Still on bail, he said he took the job to shoot and kill Mark Despain.
We fired the first round, and that round hit him more. I guess I can sit here.
He didn't know Mark from Adam. He said it was the man from the parking lot who took him to Mark's house, told him where to lie in wait for Mark, gave him a gun, and then said something rather surprising.
What the hell don't you do like this?
The shooter who executed a stranger for the mere promise of a few grand said he was appalled, not at himself, at the man who hired him.
People aren't something else, man. You know, especially people that you get to hear about you or love you desperately. These will be the same. They'll be in your face. I know you.
If the hitman was telling the truth, Detective Brooks' hunch had been right. Someone who claimed to love Mark also fought at his death. But who? Coming up, Michelle confesses to an affair. And there was another surprise.
There were two insurance policies. Each was good around $500,000.
When the room of all evil continued.
Our pizza family never cuts corners. We only cut prices. Get a 2-topping pan or large pizza from Papa John's, just $9.99. That's a 2-topping pan or large pizza, only $9.99. Order a pizza company or a pizza family. Papa John's.
You're searching for something to finally relieve your pain? Now's the time for Lidocaine. New Icy Hot Lidocaine.
This powerful anesthetic penetrates quickly to desensitize aggravated nerves with the max strength lidocaine available.
Lidocaine, your pain with new Icy Hot Lidocaine.
Love is in the air. Make a date with your eye doctor. Your eyes will love you for it. Show your eyes some eye love. Eye love is all the things we love to do with our eyes. But it's also having a chat with your eye doctor about dry eyes that interrupt the things you love. Because it could be chronic dry eye. Go to myeyelove.com and feel the love.
See me.
See me.
Don't stare at me.
See me.
See me.
See me at your nose.
Psoriasis is just something cold and not contagious. See me when you don't stop.
Until it finds what works.
Discover Cosentix, a different kind of medicine for moderate to severe plaque psoriasis. Proven to help the majority of people find clear or almost clear skin. 8 out of 10 people saw 75% skin clearance in 3 months, while the majority saw 90% clearance. Do not use if you are allergic to Cosentix. Before starting, you should be tested for tuberculosis. An increased risk of infections and lowered ability to fight them may occur. Tell your doctor if you have an infection or symptoms such as fever, sweats, chills, muscle aches, or cough, or if you have received a vaccine or plan to. If you have inflammatory bowel disease, tell your doctor if symptoms develop or worsen. Serious allergic reactions may occur.
See me.
See me.
See me on my way.
Find clear skin and a clearer path forward. For a different kind of medicine, ask your dermatologist about Cosentix.
Wednesday, Nicholas Cotts joined the Navy as a teenager, just like me. When I investigated this murder, it felt like I was investigating my own. My job now is to find new game. Murder chose me. All new, Wednesday at 10. Only.
Hello, Chrissy. My name is Shaquille Hill.
Nice to meet you.
What type of pain do you have?
Back pain around the bottom of my back. Done therapy. Done tried heat.
Are you ready for a game changer?
I am ready.
Smart relief from Icy Hot.
Just press a button and Smart Relief sends waves of relaxing pulses that block even chronic pain at the nerve level.
It feels good. I can't feel the pain right now.
It even works for hours after you turn it on.
That's even better.
Turn on Smart Relief and turn on pain. High five. Oh.
Need a little boost? Unlock a Disney new challenge. Bursting with candy vicious surprises. Grab those sweet rewards. Come on, it's candy time. Play now.
Now, you may see a puppy, but we see a dachshund. That's why Royal Canin develops breed-specific food for their unique nutritional needs. And right now, spend $50 on Royal Canin and save $10 on your next Royal Canin purchase. That's right, for puppy play.
Mother and baby murder. Was Patricia Aurora wrongfully convicted?
Patty's conviction is no big lie.
Or guilty of a horrific crime?
What do you think the movie was, Pete?
I'm It's shocking what some people would do for the mere profit of a few $1,000. Like lie in wait for Mark Despain, then put a bullet in his head. But revealing his payments, that Hitman did for free. And the name,
Somebody called me and said, "Hey, heard Carl's just got arrested." I'm like, "Oh my God, he did this."
Carl, Kathy's ex-husband, Michelle's dad. Mark gave him a house and a job and took him on family vacation. And once again, said Michelle, she was done.
I thought that he cared for Mark, with the father of my kids.
But Michelle thanked Kathy was not so surprised. He knew what Carl was capable of. She divorced him years earlier, to escape his explosions of temper.
He never really hit me because he didn't really want.
What would he do?
We'd have a gun to my head.
With a gun to your head?
Yes.
Threatened?
Yes.
Still, what would make you mad enough to have Mark killed? Confronted, Carl's face turned to stone. But as investigators discovered, Mark had caught him. To other people, told them Mark had been physically abusing Michelle. He was fired. Did you investigate whether or not any abuse was reported? There was nothing abuse that was found reported. So, if the abuse story was an obvious lie, why did Carl do it? Mark's parents were certain he didn't come up with the idea on his own. The real mastermind was believed was someone else very close to Mark. His wife, Michelle.
She, Carl, let him Michelle's life without Michelle being involved.
Michelle was far from a loving, doting wife. The woman they knew was pure self-interest, would do anything to get what she wanted. Exhibit A? So what was it that just turned Mark against you?
Michelle's manipulation.
It was Michelle who pushed Mark to break away from the family business. Michelle who tore the family apart by stoking her own daughter's allegations of abuse to drive a permanent wedge between Mark and his dad and get Mark and his money all to herself. They could easily see her goading her father into planning a murder.
Michelle is a sociopath. She is absolutely, there's nothing